Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the topic Mongo database system. Mongo database. Mongo database is a cross-platform document-oriented database that provides high performance, high availability and easy scalability. Mongo database works on the concept of collection and document. Let's see what is database. Database is a physical container for collections. Each database gets its own set of files on the file system. A single Mongo database server typically has multiple databases. Next, collection. Collection is a group of Mongo database documents. It is the equivalent of an RDBMS table. A collection exists within a single database. Collections do not enforce a schema, and the documents within a collection can have different fields. Typically, all documents in a collection are of similar or related purpose. Document. Document is a set of key value paths. Documents have dynamic schema. Dynamic schema means the documents in the same location, same collection do not need to have the same set of fields or structures and common fields in a collections documents that may hold different types of data. Now let's see the relationship of RDBMS terminology with MongoDB. One of the main differences between MongoDB and RDBMS is that RDBMS is a relational database while MongoDB is a non-relational database. Likewise, while most RDBMS systems use SQL to manage stored data, MongoDB uses BSON for data storage, a type of NoSQL database. While RDBMS uses tables and rows, MongoDB uses documents and collections. In RDBMS, a table is the equivalent to a MongoDB collection that stores data as columns and rows. Likewise, a row in RDBMS is the equivalent of a Mongo database document but stores data as structured data items in a table. A column denotes sets of data values which is equivalent to the field in MongoDB. MongoDB is also better suited for hierarchical storage. Here is one example code that represents a document in a MongoDB collection. ID. This is the unique identifier for the document. It is an object ID with a specific value 7D, F, 78 and so on in this case. Next we have title. The title of the document which is MongoDB date overview. Next we have description. It contains the description of the document which is MongoDB is NoSQL database. Next we have by. The author or the creator of the document which is Varahi Tech. Next we have URL. The URL associated with the document that is www.varahitech.com. Next we have tags. It is an array of tags related to the document which includes MongoDB database and NoSQL. Next we have likes. The number of likes the document has received which is 100. Next we have commands. An array of command objects. Each command object has some fields. They are user, message, date, created, like. User field, that is the username of the commander. Next we have message, that is the content of the command. Next we have date created, that is that represents the date and time when the command was created. Next we have like, the number of likes the command has received. Next, basic coding with MongoDB cell. This code is using the insert many method to insert multiple documents into a collection named inventory in MongoDB. Each document represents an item with various attributes such as item, quantity, size and status. In the second line, the name of the item is journal and the quantity of the item is 25. Then the size of the item is an object with the height and width and unit of measurement fields. Next, we have the status. The status of the item is A. Similarly, we have some other documents also: notebook, paper, planner, postcards. Each document represents a different item with its attributes, and these documents are being inserted into the inventory collections in the database. Next, we have some queries. Select all documents in a collection. To select all documents in the collection, pass an empty document as the query filter parameter to the find method. The query filter parameter determines the select criteria. By using the query db.inventory.find. Within the parenthesis, there is a pair of curly brace. Next, specify equality conditions. To specify equality conditions, use field value pairs expressions in the query filter documents. Here we have query as db.inventory.find. Within the parenthesis, there is status key and the D value pair. It selects from the inventory collection all documents where the status equals D. Next, we have specific conditions using query operators. A query filter document can use the query operators to specify conditions in the form as field, operator name. This code selects all documents from the inventory collection where status equals either A or D. Next, we have specify and conditions. A common query can specify conditions for more than one field in the collections documents. Implicitly, a logical AND conjunctions connects the clauses of a common query so that the query selects the documents in the collection that match all the conditions. By using this code, we can retrieve all documents in the inventory collection where the status equals A and the quantity is less than 30. Next, we have specify OR conditions. By using this code, we can retrieve all documents in the collections where the status equals A or quantity is less than 30. Using the $OR operator, you can specify a common query that joins each class with a logical OR conjunction so that the query selects the documents in the collection that match at least one condition. Next, we have AND as well as OR conditions. Here in this code, the common query document selects all documents in the collection where the status equals A and either quantity is less than 30 or item starts with the character P.